and we want to know why not 3,200 previously given price. Why should it be 2,300?
It's a team that comes up, including Tegemeo Institutes, who are supposed to carry out scientific, come up with a scientific process that should be able to guide us.
Now, the price of 2,300 CS, you can come up with whatever formula you have. It's not acceptable by the farmers in North Rift. We'll rather stay with our maize, and I can tell you that for sure, that I will not sell my maize, and 100 of them will not be able to sell that maize. Because that, if you look at the cost of production, has not changed. We suffered so much buying all the inputs.
When it becomes to the imported maize, Ministry of Agriculture acts like bullets, and they move very fast. But when it comes to the farmer, everything drags, and you have all sorts of excuses, these, that, and the rest.